Today on the Roadhouse, we get the Jeep up on the Jeep frame. I appreciate it for everybody watching and following along on this journey to get this thing running. Here's the Jeep, if you can see it behind the weeds, coming out. That rear door is going to be replaced. I already have a rear door for it. Mother trucker. Just surface rust. This paint that I used, it was a Krylon, I think. It was a army color, camouflage color. It's what I really do like on this thing, and it's lasted for like close to a year and a half now. So it's got a little moss on the outside of it, but man, not bad for durability for just spray can. There's Hank the shop dog today, and he's ignoring me, and we're gonna put the Jeep on the Jeep on the frame today. Let's get started. Now the goal here is to move this on top of this. Gonna use the cherry picker to chains that I have that are in the seat bolt holes. And that's how we're going to get it done today. Now, I got to lift it high enough to get over this back bumper over here. So I think we're going to be fine. I was lifting it, I think, higher out in the woods. So I think we're going to be good. Hey, Hank. Then we'll clean this Jeep out. I got to power wash it anyway. I'll power wash it when I get it on top of the frame. Let's get started. Here's my 1979 Ford F-250. Got F-350 rear end in it, F-350 springs. All right, not quite halfway through. Having to use this strap here. OSHA would freaking kill me. It's going slow. We're getting about 4 inches at a time. This is what happens when you do it by yourself. So you got to be careful. And yeah, OSHA would murder me, but now what I use this strap for here was to bring the Jeep back over a little bit this way. So I wanted to keep it flat so I could get it underneath there a little bit quicker. I was going to roll the Jeep up underneath it, but for safety reasons and I'm by myself, I wanted to have the trailer there just in case I should fail. And of course I've been using the cherry picker as well, just so I wouldn't get hurt. Or less chances of me getting hurt. Almost got it.
Oh, I I'm sorry, I didn't know you were...
I'm not putting that on there.
I didn't know you were recording. I thought you were just lining up for me to take a picture.
Mommy, find it for me. You.
All right, this is it so far. JK on 1 tons. The front's pretty much lined up, and as you can see, I just got to line this up. I'm gonna do it right after I eat. Here she is on the frame, and I haven't bolted it up yet, but I did power wash everything out of it. It's kind of dirty on the inside. Still got to get all that mess there all out. Like I said, this door, I have another one right over there. Probably, I'm not sure if I'll replace that today or not. I might. I didn't even power wash this. The windshield frame I have already. Actually, I got several of them. Hood shot. Super Duty axle. Eric did that for me. Thank you for watching, subscribing, comment down below. Tell me what you think I ought to be doing with this Jeep. I love this thing, working on it, and it reminds me of back when I was 17 working on a Jeep CJ7. And appreciate it, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. That door, rear door is going to be replaced. Mother trucker. There it is with the doors and the new tailgate. Get a new tailgate. It's just 3 bolts. There's 2 behind here, 1 here. Same thing down here. Put the doors on just so I'd see what it looked like, and I needed to get them out of my shop. Getting ready to have the other half of my shop concreted, and this goes in on the side that the new side that gets concrete.